Here is the flexible bladder tool with through hole with hose. Insert bladder tool completely into the exhaust pipe. Close bleed-off valve and squeeze ball pump to inflate the bladder until firmly in exhaust pipe. Insert smoke into bladder through hose. Look for exhaust leaks. Once done, open bleed-off valve and remove bladder.